Hello and welcome to Fintech Ki Baat with Salary Say. Today we have two founders, Mr. Piyush and Mr. Mohit. So let's have a quick chat with them. Hello sir, how is GFF treating you so far? Let's start with you.
Komal, it's been a great experience for us. This is the second GFF we are attending as part of the Salary Say team. But it's been a delightful experience. We were quite fortunate to be part of the UPI Circle launch
Okay.
yesterday by none other than the Governor of the Reserve Bank.
Right.
We have some other exciting product launches scheduled now.
Oh wow.
But the
We'll
team
talk
is very
about that.
excited, and it's been a great GFF experience so far.
What about you sir?
No, I think it's always great to be part of GFF, and I think this is my fourth year as part of various organizations. But obviously, as Piyush was mentioning, part of the Salary Say, this is our second year. And if I see the journey from last year to this year, this has been like nothing short of exceptional, right? Last year we were just attending as part of any other fintech, trying to aspire to build an organization, right? And this year we are doing a couple of launches in GFF, so it's very humbling.
Right. So let's take it from the top. What is Salary Say all about? Let's start with you.
Great question, Komal. So we are building a credit on UPI platform. We are very bullish as a team around the UPI story of India, and believe merger of credit and UPI together will be the next innovation which is coming along. So that is the core product with which we are coming to the market, and we are launching very soon about it.
So I am hearing all about the launches. So क्या launch कर रहा है Salary Say in GFF?
So we were quite fortunate to be part of the UPI Circle launch yesterday
Right.
as part of the governance launch, right? So that we are extremely bullish on that product because we feel that that's the product which will drive the next wave of growth for UPI, right? Next 30 million, as the governor said, right? Next 30 to 40 million people will come through that, right? Next 300 million people
Yeah.
will come through that, right? And secondly, we are launching a co-brand card, right? So we are a credit on UPI platform, right? And we are launching a virtual only RuPay card
Okay.
along with RBL. So that will also be very exciting, and
That's
what we have gotten now very good feedback from our customers on that.
So the most important question is, how was the journey, two of you as a co-founder, how did this journey start? Idea कहाँ से आया? एक अच्छा जॉब छोड़ के why get into this startup? कैसे? क्या हुआ?
No, great question. So we are three co-founders,
Okay.
Mohit, me, and Soumit. And we've been friends for long from
Okay.
campus times, and from our apartment complexes,
Okay.
etc. But we were always great believers in the India financial services story.
Right.
And more importantly, we felt UPI, is a make in India innovation, which all of us were very excited about. And we wanted to contribute as part of that process. So all of us, were in very established jobs. I was an investor in my past life, working at funds like Carlyle and CVC.
Right.
Mohit and Soumit were at BCG earlier.
Oh wow.
But collectively, we felt, that we want to contribute to the
Push
nation
to
building
something.
story. And like Salary Say originated, so all of us were salaried people earlier. We think, working class professionals, salaried people are backbone of any economy. And which is why we created Salary Say to, give more power to salary of an ordinary Indian. And, using UPI, we are able to do that.
So बहुत founders से मिली. Most of them say कि it's very important to get a right co-founder. Sometimes वो लोग comparison कर देते हैं, like how important it is to get a right partner in a marriage.
Yeah.
It's more important, they say, to get a right co-founder. So I would like to know your thoughts on this.
No, I think it's absolutely important, right? From 2-3 perspectives. One is just your wavelength needs to match, right? In terms of working style, in terms of how you support each other, right? Because a startup journey is not for a day, right? Or for a week or for a
Right,
month, right?
right.
It's a long-term commitment,
Right.
and it's actually right. It's like a marriage, right? That you are getting into a marriage with each other,
Right.
and you will see a lot of highs, but you will see a lot of lows also,
Lows.
right? And whom you can trust during those lows is very, very
It's
important.
very important.
I think for us, it naturally, actually, we never faced so much of a difficulty, right? Because three of us knew each other from before,
Okay.
right? And we had a rapport with each other. So that's helping us a lot. And I can tell you from our personal experience, over last 1 year itself, we have seen a lot of lows. And our decision has proven to be the right decision. Come
So
together.
now I want to know 3 don'ts or 3 mistakes that you have done as a founder and you would want to pass on to those young entrepreneurs कि भाई ये मत करना, हमसे some tips, don'ts. First
Sure.
with you, then with you.
I think one of the biggest thing as a founder, and which is a very humbling experience, you will realize कि आप ये नहीं सोच सकते कि because you have done something in the past or otherwise, world will come to you.
Okay.
So it's an absolute, you have to have that go-getter feeling and assume nothing is given or granted, and you have to fight and take everything because you don't have a brand, no one knows you, right? So you have to, work very hard for the smallest of things,
Right.
which for established business is very easy,
Right.
right? I think the second learning for us at least has been, especially if you are in the fintech space and in the B2B space, is to be very respectful towards stakeholders.
Right.
Right.
That's
I have seen a lot of younger, entrepreneurs think, why is RBI doing something or NPCI doing something. I think they
question
are
it.
committed to see us, successful, but obviously they see the bigger picture.
Right.
So to recognize the role which, all stakeholders play and work with them, instead of working against them, that is a
Right.
very important thing.
Right. With you, sir.
I think adding to what you said, right? Couple of points. One, I would say, don't be arrogant, right? Speak to your customers, be open to feedback, speak to your stakeholders, right? They'll give you a lot of learnings, right? And they'll help you build your business better, right? That's one very, very important thing. Because when you come from, let's say, established firms, or you have worked in the past, or you have seen something, you have this habit of just having preconceived notions about something, right? So those you have to let go of, right? Second, I think it's very, very important to spend time in building the team when
Right.
you're
Team
when
is
you're
important.
yes, when you're just starting up, right? Because what happens is, if you have made just one wrong hire, right, it could just derail your growth by 3 months, because initially you don't have the liberty of hiring 100 people,
Right.
right? So invest time in hiring the team, right? And third is, you have to keep on motivating the team, right?
Right.
You have to give them wins, you have to make them part of the success. Otherwise, it's very, very difficult to achieve a common vision.
Right.
Right.
I think
that's
एक और point which is
हाँ.
very important is, and again, when you start up, you
हाँ.
think कि, the role of family. I think it's a very emotional journey. So your spouse, your
Right.
parents,
Right.
all of you have to involve them. तो ऐसा
Right.
नहीं है कि startup कर रहे हो तो घर परिवार भूल जाओ, and
हाँ,
you have to just be working, because it's going to be very high highs and very low lows.
Right.
So you need a lot of emotional support, and to involve your family in this
Right.
journey is nothing like it.
So, what was your safety net in the whole process? What was your safety net? जब ये स्टार्टअप होता है तो लोज हाई सब होते हैं, पॉकेट से भी पैसे जाते हैं, सब कुछ होता है, तो सेफ्टी नेट क्या था?
I think the biggest safety net is to not have a safety net at all. You have to go all in. There is no other way.
What about you?
No, I think there are only two things which can help you in this process. One is the support of the family, and second is the support of your co-founders. These are the only
That's
two
right.
things.
That's right. That's right. Last question for the day. Define yourself in 3 words.
I would say I'm, motivated and entrepreneurial. I think I've always been like that. To see the bigger picture and build towards something. That's what excites me. So
Right. Right. Define yourself.
I think extremely ambitious, extremely emotional, and I truly believe in India's story.
That's really great. Thank you so much for
Thank
your
you.
time.
Thanks,
It
Komal.
was a
Thanks a
pleasure
lot,
talking to
Komal.
both of you. Thank you so much for the day.
thank you.